Obviously, every machine is a little different, so always check your sewing machine manual for the best guidance. Turn off or unplug your machine to avoid any injury. Turn the hand wheel towards you to raise the needle bar to its highest position. Pull the presser foot lever upwards to raise the presser foot holder. Place the presser foot under the presser foot holder, aligning the hole of the presser foot with the hole in the needle plate where the needle passes through. Slowly push the presser foot lever downwards. The presser foot holder will grab the presser foot and lock it into place. To remove the presser foot, follow steps 1 to 3, then press the lever at the back of the presser foot holder towards you. The presser foot will drop off automatically. Remove and set aside carefully. Turn off or unplug your machine to avoid any injury. Turn the hand wheel towards you to raise the needle bar to its highest position. Pull the presser foot lever upwards to raise the presser foot. Using a screwdriver, loosen the screw that holds the presser foot holder in place. Carefully slide the holder off and set it aside. Position your specialty presser foot onto the presser bar, aligning its hole around the screw area. Using a screwdriver, insert the screw and tighten it firmly. Make sure it's secure before sewing. To remove it, simply loosen the screw and slide the foot off. Always make sure your presser foot is securely attached before sewing, and double check you're using the correct foot for your fabric and technique. I have another video explaining the most common presser feet and their uses, which I've linked in the description below, so please check it out. For even more sewing Bexpertise, I've linked helpful videos in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and as always, happy sewing!